6 elements in front of me. Move. Harap sa likod. Harap sa kaliwa. Harap. Harap sa kalating kaliwa. Harap. Action. 1, 2, 3, go.
Good morning, classmates. This is our report about the law of cosines. This is our problem. Our formula to be used is b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b. Our given is the side b, the hypotenuse is unknown, while the opposite is c equals to 40 meters and a equals to 70 meters. The equivalent of 80 degrees is 0.17.
Our formula is b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. To interpret this formula, we must substitute the given words, the given numbers among the letters. So, if A is, we need to find A. So A is 70. 70, then C equals 40. Then minus 2, 70, minus 2 times 70 equals B.
B squared equals 4,000. 70 squared equals 4,900 plus 40 squared equals 1,600 minus 5,000 minus 5,600. So the equivalent of 80 degree cos 80 degree equals 0.17.
Next, b squared equals 6,500 minus 952.
To proceed the topic, 6,500 minus 952, the equivalent of that is 5,548. So bring down 7 squared, then square root of that, and square root of 5,548. The answer is 74,048 meters. Therefore, the measure of safety is 78.48 meters.
Kasi nahirapan na ako sa square root, pipilitin ko makuha para makakuha ka lang. Mananay! Sana math ka na lang. Para sa'yo ako bumagsak. That is our report of Great King Landa.